Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're going to be taking another look at the crypto idle miner. It's been about 2 months since the last time we were in here. We're going to be checking out how the account has changed, and I've got a payment proof for you as well, so keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we are on my mobile phone and we're just going to dive straight into the crypto idle miner. So, like I said, it's been about 2 months since the last time we were in here. The only problem really with this game is it's very difficult to sort of point out and pinpoint updates that these guys are doing, purely because, very much like Rollercoin, they are updating their platform all of the time, which is great for us as users, because it means that they are bringing a better and improved member or user experience almost every month or every couple of weeks. I have to go and update this application through the Google Play, basically because they are updating so regular. I mean, it's a great program. It's a fun little game, keeps you occupied. And the graphics, I absolutely love the graphics. They are absolutely brilliant. And for those of you that are not familiar with Crypto Idle Miner, basically what it is, it's a virtual cloud mining game that is done along the similar lines to Roller Coaster Tycoon. So the idea of the game is that you start off with a single building, which is the Ethash building, and you basically build up your mining empire, and as you reach certain milestones you'll gain more and more buildings, and then you fill those up with more and more miners, and then every building is earning you more and more crypto. They also run special competitions, like you can see this one, the World Penguin Day, and you have daily quests that you can complete as well. All of these things are building up your points to push you up those levels to then earn you more coins. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to a playlist. That playlist contains about 3 or 4 videos. Go and check that out. That will give you a better understanding of how the program works, what you need to be doing to get your account up and running so you can be earning those free horror coins. And if you go right the way through to the end of this video, those links will be there also, so you could just click straight on them and get watching. Okay, so like I said, it was about 2 months since the last time we were in here. So let's quickly run through the numbers and see how the account has changed. So if we press the rocket ship at the bottom, so 2 months ago we were on level 9. You can now see we are on level 11. We had 8,439 points. You can now see we have 10,640. And we were in division 144. Apparently we're now in division 111. Not quite sure why that has changed, but it has. So that's all I can say about that, really. Okay, so the great thing about this, and I think I see this as being a really good chance for you guys out there to get hold of some cryptocurrency which could go massive. Obviously, like I say, it's a great little game, and the currency that you will be earning by playing the game is it's what's known as a horror token. Now this is very much like CGT essentially. So in a crypto mining game, we have CGT, which is an in-game currency. Hora is exactly the same. It's an in-game currency. But the thing is, what you have to realize is, unlike CGT, it's not just connected. Hora is not just connected with one game. Now, the developers of this game, which are the Hora game developers, they have more than one game out there that uses this currency. Now, I'm not saying the reason to get this currency is so then you can go and play other games. No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that this is a token that is used within the games across a multi-game platform, very much like Engine. Now, for those of you that really know your cryptocurrencies, you would know of the Engine token. Now, the Engine token, I think it was 3 years ago, or maybe 4 years ago, did an ICO and launched their token. And when it launched, it was I think it went up to like 42 cents or something like that. And then for years, it dropped down. But obviously, those guys behind the scenes have been plugging away. And last year, it finally got accepted onto the Japanese exchanges. So now it is being actually bought and sold on the exchanges, but also used across an even bigger game platform than Hora token. And in the last year, Engine has gone from being a few cents up to over $2 per coin. Now, this is the kind of thing. So basically, Engine is sort of like the gateway token, and everybody is looking at Engine. But Hora could very easily follow in the same footsteps, because again, it is an in-game coin across a multi-game platform. So getting your hands on this coin now really easily by playing this game could in the future be putting a very large amount of dollars into your pocket. And like I say, it is a very easy game. If you go and check out those earlier videos, and remember, you don't need to go straight away. You can just go through to the end of this video, and those links to the earlier videos will be there also, so you can just get clicking straight on them and get watching once you've seen this video. Okay, so if we click on the rocket once again, in here you'll have various different things you can click on. So obviously you've got the withdraw button, you've got your achievements, that's your achievements within the game, and you can also enter promo codes. If you check out Facebook, go to Hora mobile games, or even just type in Hora games Facebook in Google, it will take you to their page, and every so often they will release a promo code which you can type into that promo section, and then they will send you free coins. So they might send you 300, they might send you 500, but they do this on quite a regular basis, normally about once a month or a couple of times a month. But make sure you're checking that Facebook page regularly, maybe even obviously add it to your list of Facebook page and get alerts on it to make sure you're getting those promo codes, which are then going to help you through the game, obviously building up your coins a lot faster. Okay, so when it comes to withdrawals, they have changed their setup slightly. The minimum has now been risen. So the minimum you can withdraw from this game now is 10,000 Hora coins, and also you can only get a withdrawal once a month. But like I say, the minimum is 10,000 Hora coins, so it's not the maximum. So if we go into, if I click withdraw, there we go. you'll see I currently have a pending withdrawal of 50,000 horror tokens. Now, I made a withdrawal in the last video for 1,000, and between since then I've actually made another withdrawal for 20,000. So if we duck out of here, close that, we'll close the application, and then we go to our TronLink wallet. Okay, so once you've downloaded your TronLink wallet from either Google Play or iTunes, depending on whether you've got an Android or an iPhone, the next thing you're going to want to know is how do you get your horror tokens into that wallet. So it's quite easy. What you do is you click the rocket at the bottom, and that will take you into your profile. Once you're in here, you then just click withdraw, and then at the bottom where it says tap to copy contract address, now you just tap that, and there it goes, says copy to clipboard. Then just come out of the game, go to your TronLink wallet, wait for that to open up, and then once you come in here, you'll see the 4 round circles in the bar there. What you want to do is you want to click the button that says add to assets. So you click that. This will show you the assets that you hold, but also at the top there you'll have a search bar. So what you want to do is you want to click on that, and then once that opens up, you just paste the contract into there by holding your thumb down on it. There you go, and you go paste, cut that, and there you go, straight away picks up the horror tokens. And obviously I've already done it, but when you come in here and do it for the first time, next to it there'll either be something for you to tick or a plus sign for you to add. Just click on that and then it will be added to your assets in your wallet, and then you can receive horror tokens from that point on. Now the great thing with this is, obviously for those of you that are members of DualMine, this is the same wallet that you're using for your CRT. You can now you are now able to use this for your horror tokens as well. Okay, so if we scroll down, you can see here I've got my horror tokens there saying 21,000, and you can see that the top one is the 20,000 that I did just a couple of weeks ago, and then you've got the original 1,000 which was featured in the last video. So they are paying, but like I say, the way they're paying is slightly different. You've got to have a minimum of 10,000 now to withdraw, and they only withdraw once a month. But you'll find that playing the game, if you get into it, you spend a bit of time on it, you will be earning hundreds of tokens every single week that you use it. If we go back quickly, okay, so basically if we again click on the rocket ship, and then we go to leaderboard, you can see in the stats there, you can see I'm ranked 11th out of 50. And the other cool thing with this game is that as long as you are in amongst the top 50 players, you will get tokens. Obviously I'm in Diamond League. That's, you know, you will not be starting in Diamond League, so you won't be sort of trying to sort of beat me in the league or anybody that's, you know, that high. You start off in a much lower league and basically work your way up as your miners and your various different buildings and warehouses that contain all of your mining equipment. When they start building up, obviously then you start moving up in the league. So basically the people that you will start off sort of competing against will all be on a similar level to you. So don't worry, you're not going to be coming in and thinking, oh, I'm not going to be earning anything because all these people are going to be so much higher. That's not the way it works. That, you know, as you progress through it, you get promoted to the higher and higher leagues, and then obviously you're then competing against people that are at your level. But anyway, look, if we scroll down to level 50, can we get down to 50? 34, here we go. Okay, so look, that's the danger zone. Oh, cancel. So that's the danger zone. But even this person that's at number 50, Yersi, they will still earn 321 horror tokens if they stay at level, at basically number 50 in the league. And obviously the person that is number 1, by the way, this is like the worst mobile phone in the world. The touchscreen is absolutely terrible. So it's just so unresponsive. So anyway, we finally got them. So the person that's number 1, they will earn 1,005 horror tokens if they stay at number 1. So like I say, even at number 50, you're still earning hundreds of tokens. So to get to that 10,000 will not take you very long at all. Check it out. It is a great little game. Almost everybody that I've known has downloaded it, constantly says how fun it is, how addictive it is, and it, like I say, it's a great little game and it's dead easy to withdraw. You get the coin straight into your TronLink wallet. Basically, you can use other wallets. I just use that one because I know it's a TRC20 wallet, very much like, because it's the same as what CRT uses. And when you check out the Tron Network website, TronLink is actually the number 1 wallet that they recommend. So all those reasons are a good reason for me and for you to use it. Okay, so if you are interested in those earlier videos, they're probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. If you could smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.